It's your girl Jovian, and I'm coming back with you with another video, and it's going to be on how to fleek your eyebrows. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a spoolie, and I got this from Sephora for free. You're going to also need concealer or concealers, and I will be taking out my lighter shade and my darker shade concealer from my Master Cameo palette. You will also need an eyebrow pencil that closely matches your eyebrows. I'm going to use purple. And you're going to also need a concealer brush. I'm done decisive. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. And then an angled brush. All right, let's get into it. So you're going to first use your spoolie. And what I do, I just start brushing my eyebrows in one direction. So just brush them up in one direction. Yes. Now I go halfway and start filling in my brows. I don't fill them in yet, but I draw my line halfway just so I can have a more natural look and more natural eyebrows. Because my eyebrows are pretty natural. They just need to be filling just a little bit more. That's all. So you go ahead and fill in on the top and on the bottom to your desire, whatever arch you want. I'm doing that arch. And then I go ahead and fill in just the sparse areas. Now, if you want your eyebrows to be thick, you fill it in heavier. If you want it to be a little bit more thinner, you do a light hand. Okay, and I think I'm pretty much done. I like that. So I'm going to go back in with my spoolie, and I'm going to distribute the product evenly throughout my brows. Yeah, so keep on doing that, and I think it looks good. Wait, what are you doing, Jovia? Okay, so now I'm going to take my lighter shade, and I'm going to go underneath and outline my brows just to cover up or conceal any harsh edges that I might have made while I was doing my brows. And then I'm going to take the same shade, and I'm going to use my angle brush and bring down the product. Draw it down, draw it down, draw it down. Okay, I'm being extra. So draw it down. All right. Okay, Joey, you're done now. All right, I'm obviously not done. All right, guys. Now you're going to go in with the concealer brush, and I'm going to use that concealer brush, yeah? And then I'm going to blend in the product into my skin. And blending is very important, guys, because if you do not blend, you're going to walk around looking like a halo stick. That's fine if you want to, but I don't think it's important. Now I'm going to go with my brown shade, my darker shade, and I'm going to put it on top of my brows. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did to the bottom. I'm going to outline the top of my brows. You don't even have to use a concealer on the top because it works either way. But if you want to, just for a more precise look, you can use a shade on top. And that's what I'm doing. I'm also going to be drawing the product on top of my brows just for easier blending. And then, okay, I don't know why it's taking me so long, but I'm extra. I'm extra as could be. That's why I'm still doing this. All right, now I'm going to go back in with my same concealer brush and start to blend out the product. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key. If you want your brows to look fleeky, you have to blend. All right, I think I like that. Nope, I don't, because I'm still blending. So continue to blend until you're like, yes, that's it. That's it. All right, I think that's pretty good. Now I'm going to go to the next eye. And boom, you see how easy that was? Yeah, I didn't even have to show you the other one because you guys got it down packed. I don't even have to show you the other one. So guys, remember to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any questions, let me know, okay? Bye, until next time.